Web 3.0 Community Management Full Course. Community is at the core of any successful crypto/blockchain project. A crypto product/service is only as valuable as the people who use and love it, making its community the greatest signal for a project's health. One of the fastest growing industries in the world is blockchain technology. Digital currencies are on the rise, and many new startups are looking for crypto community managers to help them build their brands. If you have a passion for the latest blockchain technology and business trends, you might consider a career as a crypto community manager. The crypto community is a notoriously fickle beast, especially for new projects. There are a few things as important as managing your online reputation, and the first step to doing that is building an active and positive community around your brand. These days, it's not enough to just have a website and some white papers. Your project needs a visible team of people with clearly defined roles, active social media channels, and accessible communication methods. If you have a flair for communicating with people on social media or enjoy writing posts that provide valuable information, this just might be your new dream job. In this course, we're going to explore some benefits of being a crypto community manager and show you what it takes to become one.